Proper-sized tire spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. In this video, we'll guide you through the best wheel spacer size choice, helping you decide what's the best for your vehicle and driving style. 1-inch wheel spacers are relatively safe for Toyota, especially since they are hub-centric spacers. At this thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. For Toyota owners who occasionally drive off-road but also use their vehicle on city streets, 1-inch tire spacers are the balanced choice. Wheel spacers can help create extra wheel track weight and are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space. By providing a more even distribution of weight across a wheel assembly, hub-centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components. This can reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Hub-centric wheel spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the vehicle's hub, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed according to the hub, and not the wheel studs. This minimizes the risk of vibrations and ensures a better fit. Invest in wheel spacers from reputable brands that offer warranties. This ensures you are getting a product that has been tested for safety and durability. A good warranty also provides peace of mind, knowing that you are covered in case of defects. Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle, and the benefits of features like spacer hub-centric. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this bonus wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.